Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect pattern to Mailchimp. So actually guys, you can use Zapier to automate subscribers. Okay, so you will need us first to go with zapier.com and log in to your account on Zapier website. And right now all you need to do is to go and click on create plus button that's located at the top left corner, and then just go with Zaps, the first option on that menu. And now you will be presented with two options or two methods. So the first method is using the EI. Okay, so you can build the trigger and the action between pattern and Mailchimp. So actually guys, you can go and type, for example, set up for me the pattern as a trigger and Mailchimp as an action. Okay, and then just go with start building right here, wait for a few seconds. All right, then just confirm or answer the question. Okay, and then the AI will build the trigger and the action. Okay, so if you want to go just manually, you can go with the trigger and then just select the pattern here. Okay, and actually we'll need to have the premium version of Zapier to find the pattern right here and to select it. Also, you will need to go with action here and then just look for Mailchimp. Right now just select Mailchimp as trigger and then choose the action events from here. So these are up to you, and after that go with sign in and sign in with your account, and afterward you will need to go with test run here and then publish, turn it on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.